Hi, it's Al Macho. Today I'll be making a very delicious pressed ham sandwich, and I haven't had lunch yet, so I'm very hungry. So what you will need is a sandwich presser, bread, and ham. Vegetables are optional on the side. So after you've preheated your sandwich presser, you open up the lid. Now just be careful, now this is very, very hot. So you take your bread, and be sure to put it in sideways. Don't put it in the other way, or it won't fit. It's very hot. You can hear the bread sizzling. And next, you take some ham, put it on the bread. Just take as much ham as you like. Take a bit more. Just a small piece over that side. There. And once you have all your ham and bread in there, take your other piece of bread, put it on top like a sandwich. Make sure it's all in the cooking area. And then wait. Now, one thing you want to do is just check over your sandwich every couple of minutes, as there's no real timer, so I think I'll just do a quick peek to see what it's at. Oh, I think it could just take maybe a couple more minutes to completely cook, but it really shouldn't take long. It's a very quick lunch. Now, after you have checked on and you think that you're at a good cooking, you just unplug. So now it's no longer cooking, but it is still very hot. And then open it up. I think that's a good move. And I think useful tool would be pinch. Good useful tool would be tongs, because it gets very, very hot. So I'm gonna move this and take our big sandwich plate and try and find a way to take our sandwich out. And now it's a good idea to let this cool a bit before you eat it. And while it cools, you can always take some vegetables. So just take like a pepper and a couple carrots. So now we're gonna start the eating segment. I'm in a different spot than usual. I always eat over there. But today I'm eating at this table. So just gonna get a quick carrot. Carrot. But I know you all came to see me eat this, so I will eat this. Carrots are sometimes hard to chew. This is very nice. Now you don't need to use ham. You can add stuff. You can maybe, I don't know, put a carrot in it. Maybe not a carrot, but some other form of vegetable. But I just like it with the ham. If I can find my mouth. Inside's a bit hot, but it's good. Good temperature. And you really gotta make sure to let it cool, because sometimes you take your first bite and it's all like lava in the bread. But this is just a nice, good temperature to eat. Gotta be masking that one. See what these peppers are like. Juicy? Very juicy. A lot of seeds as well. Anyways, back to the sandwich. Gonna try the no look bite. I'll go to the side. A lot of mask. I think I got strand. Gross. I was joking. I'm just gonna put it in here. I think we just need to end that there. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog, and I have to say, that was one delicious sandwich. And as always, I'll see you next time. Yummy.